Hi guys, it's Ben from Charters in Aldershot. Just wanted to take this time to introduce to you this video, which is going to run you through hints, tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your electric and hybrid vehicles, much like this one, over the winter months. You're going to meet three of my colleagues in this video. Joe's going to talk to you about preconditioning, Emily's going to talk to you about driving style, and Jack's going to talk to you about route planning. Enjoy.
Joe here from the sales team at Charters. Now, tip one is going to be talking about preconditioning and heating on electric and hybrid vehicles. Right, so within your electric and hybrid vehicle, the optimum cabin temperature is 21 degrees. Anything above or below that can see a range decrease on your digital dash. Features like heated seats can also see a range decrease on the screen. However, the battery is built in a great way that it does retain its temperature overnight, so you also see a decrease on the screen as well. Now, in order to use the precondition of the cabin, you have to have the vehicle plugged in to a wall box. After that, make sure you are all connected to the My Peugeot or My Citroen app. All you do then is you go onto the application, you go to the home page and you click climate. This will set the cabin to a degrees of 21, which is the optimum temperature, and that will help defrost it on those cold, wintry mornings without using any of the range.
So in terms of when you're driving, the biggest two factors that can affect your range are speed and heating. So Joe's obviously already gone through the heating process, but in terms of speed, electric vehicles like lower speeds. They work best at sort of speeds that we're at now. As soon as you take it onto a dual carriageway where you're picking up sort of more like 60, 70 miles an hour, the battery is going to use more range. So my first tip would be to try and drive at lower speeds where possible and to avoid motorway and dual carriageway if you can. In terms of my second tip, the power graph, as you'll see on the dashboard, you want to try and keep that between eco and charge as much as possible, because that's where the vehicle runs at a most efficient level.
Hi everyone, it's Jack here from Charters. Just wanted to take this video just to show you the route planning section and how to maximise the range when you're driving. So another tip that I would recommend is downloading the ZapMap app for your route planning. I'll just show you through a couple of steps now so you can enter your route. So I've done it from here up to Edinburgh and you just go through the steps. It will bring up the route itself. Make sure the car is configured and matches the car that you're actually driving. And then along the way it will scan for all the chargers along the route, which you can point one out in specific, and it will bring up what it is, how many are free and the price, etc. And you just add to route and that will bring it up. So it's pretty good on long journeys and it's nice and easy to use. Right, so inside the cabin, just wanted to talk you through the two tips that I would recommend. First one being is the drive modes, which you can change to eco. Now that will give you around about 10 miles more range, will limit the performance, but it's pretty good on motorways. The second one being is the B mode, which is the battery regeneration mode. And that basically uses the motors to slow the car down whilst recharging the actual traction battery.